This is how you prepare cornmeal with beans. First, you boil your beans. So this is 1 cup. It's not a lot. I am not making out. This is 1 cup, and this is the water. Boil your beans. Make sure it's well cooked. For cornmeal, you want the beans to be cooked very well. Now you add oil in a hot pot. Then wet spice. Fry until this turn a little brownish. You see that? So nice, well fried. So let it burn. Now you're going to add, you can add tomato if you want to in there. Some people add tomato, but I am not going to add that now. Add your beans. Mix it together. It's well mixed. You want that bean to get that flavor. Dry spice. Then everybody cook a little differently. Some people would put the spice or the dry spice after they add water. But I want to put it in the beans because I want the beans to have that nice flavor mixed together. 1 spoon. I can choose to add something after. This is some coconut milk. A can of coconut milk. Oh, that looks so good. That looks so good. Let me put the rest. This is the rest. Okay. Going to cover this for a couple minutes. And you want to keep that at medium heat. Uncover. Now we're going to add the beans water. This is about 6.5 cups. Scotch bonnet, green one. Parsley. Clove. This is the powder. Butter. A little bit more flavor. I'm going to add a little bit of dry spice again. Mixed dry spice. Taste it so you can see if you need to add a little bit salt. Maybe not now after it's boiled, because the butter is not completely melt in there yet, and the salt. So after it's boiled, before you add the cornmeal in there, you want to taste to see to get your flavor, everything. Right now it tastes very good. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Okay, cover, let it boil. While the water is boiling with everything in there, you wanna wash the cornmeal. So it's in the water. We're gonna do the traditional way. So you have to put a good amount of water so the cornmeal can sink under the water. This is about 3 cups. So this is what's behind. Pour that water again. This is the traditional way. Some people just put a couple water, like they drop this water, they put a new one. But for cornmeal it's different because there's that flour, and then you want to keep it. Move it side to side when you grab it, so you take all the heads out. Throw it back in there again. Do it again. Back and forth. So I'll do it 3 times. But the real cornmeal we have back home, that will be like probably like 5 to 6 times. You have to do that over and over again. You're going to let this water sit down for a while. Put your cornmeal in the water, but there's this. I'm gonna show you what's under that water after. We're gonna put this cornmeal in the pot right now. Remember what I said earlier, you want to taste the water before you put the cornmeal in there to see if you have enough salt and the flavor, everything like that. So while you taste, you do not put this in your mouth, you put it in the palm of your hand, because you're cooking for multiple people. I'll add some butter, a little bit of dash powder, add the cornmeal, just put that and then make it easy. We wanted this from the water. That's the flour. The starch of the corn. You want to put this in there. Now, you're going to leave it just for a couple minutes and stir it again. You got to keep stirring it over and over until that water dry, and you will see the result. If you leave it like this, it will be like let's say like make bowl. Yeah. So from time to time you stir it. From time to time you stir. Gonna cover, let it boil, and always check the flavor. And I taste that again. Good. Excellent. And you cover it.
The provisions of God. Romans 8:28 says, "And we know that all things work together for the good of those who love God and to those who are called according to his purpose." The God we serve, my friends, is a limitless God, all-powerful, full of grace and mercy, and has all that we need. Never lacking, always present, and always on time for his people. In his provisions for his people, one of the things he does is preserve his people from danger and anything that's not of him. Like David said in Psalms 124:2, "If it had not been for the Lord who was on my side, when men rose up against us, then they would have swallowed us alive. When their wrath was kindled against us, then their waters would have overwhelmed us. The stream would have gone over our souls." What he also does is provide, like he did for Elijah by the brook Cherith. In 1 Kings chapter 17 verse 6, it says, "The ravens brought him bread and meat in the morning, and bread and meat in the evening, and he drank from the brook." Provisions of God. So regardless of our situations or positions or state in this life, when the enemy thinks that everything has been set up to destroy us, eliminate us, or even belittle us, know that in God, everything, I mean everything, works out for the good. Our God doesn't waste. He uses the good and the bad, and out of it comes great purpose and comfort, teaching, strengthening, maybe sometimes even exhortation. So continue dwelling in the shadow of the Almighty, and everything shall work out for your good. God bless you.
Stir it very well. Nice. It's done.
C'est Régis qui a fait la prod.
Okay, guys, this is the final result of red snapper with cornmeal, and beans, red beans. So today we have a special guest going to taste our meal. So let's see. We are waiting. Oh gosh, I'm so nervous. Are you?
Dive in.
Dive in. Dig in.
What should I taste first?
I don't know. If you love Jesus, you will taste the fish first.
Probably no.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, the salt is good.
Mm-hmm.
The pepper is good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, so far so good. Yeah, that's good.
Nice.
That's good. Let's see. Let's dive in here.
Mm-hmm. Is it hot? Cold?
Oh, that's good.
So nervous, guys.
It's tender.
Nice.
Yeah,
Amazing. Will you recommend this meal
I would.
to any nation?
I would. And it would be expensive too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes. Guys, thank you for watching Nana's Creole Cuisine.
It's very good, guys.
Oop, you forgot one thing.
The
Taste
fish.
the fish.
Let's taste the fish.
Let's see. Let's see if the red snapper really red.
This is tender as well. You did a good job.
Thank you.
Good job. Good job.
Thank
good
you
job.
so very much. I was so nervous. But now, thank you for watching Nana's Creole Cuisine. So don't forget to leave a comment below, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.